Okay, then 10 volts, this is 10 volt source. We have R1 1 kilo, R2 2.2, RT is 10 kilo. Then we have R4 6.8 kilo. Alright, so what do we need here? VA, BB, and VAB. What's VA? It's the voltage at point A, which is this one, right? Then we have BB, the voltage at point B. So how do you do the measurement for this one? So one from the we have one ground here, right? We need to put the ground here. Is that correct? We need a ground connection here, this point in the circuit, huh? So now, so you need VA, simple, huh? As I mentioned before, how to measure. So imagine yourself as the DMMs, huh? Multimeter. So you have the negative, you have the positive here, correct? So to measure VA, one from ground, one from VA. So that's VA voltage. VB voltage. So now, how about VAB?
One on the ground, one not in the ground, one in put in A, one.
Yeah, that's the voltage at point A and B. Again, this is voltage at point A. This is voltage at point B. VAB is the voltage at point A and B. So meaning, if you have the DMM, this would be VAB. Kita. This is negative, this is positive. The only difference, if, for example, accidentally you reverse the probe, what will happen only? Minus. It will become negative only. But the same number. The same number should come. Only it's there's the polarity will be different. But the same number will come. Got it?
Got it.
Sa? Okay, now. So, the question here, how? So, let's start with VA. Can we calculate VA? Now, you need to identify as VA. We already identified the VA, right? It's here. But, let's see. VA is actually what? The volt is across what? Look, as I mentioned before, here. One from ground, one from here, right? Here, for VA. So meaning, actually VA, what is the voltage across what?
Minus.
No, same point here. Is the voltage across?
R2.
R2. Yes.
R2, sa?
Perfect.
Is actually the voltage across R2. So lala. Okay? So meaning here, we can say that this is also equal as VR2. So lala. Agree? So VR2. Can we calculate it using Ohm's law?
Yes, if we find I total.
I total, yeah. But it will take a lot. Oh, yes. You can calculate this one using Ohm's law as you like. It's okay. But the thing here, if you want a shorter solution for this one, the best solution here is using what? What divider rule is the best way. Shorter. Short voltage divider rule.
Voltage divided. Okay.
So, because we are after the voltage, not current. Okay? So we are after the voltage, so that's why we can use voltage divider rule. We can do this, or we can calculate this using Ohm's law. It's fine. But the problem, you get the I total, you need to get the R total, so lala. Okay? A little bit long. It will take a long process. But if you will use voltage divider rule in this case, easy. Very, very, very easy. Alright? So, let's apply divider rule. I will apply divider rule. So divider rule, so since this voltage is across this one, which is also the same as the voltage here, sir? Is that right? The voltage across this point, across these 2 points, is also the same as the voltage across these points, right? So meaning, if you will try to apply the voltage divider rule across this point, okay? So that would be what? Formula, voltage divider rule, VR2, R2 over R total multiplied by the source, or E here in this case.
Voltage divided.
Correct? What is divider rule? Do we have our total?
Replace.
Or 1 and 2 after.
Do we have E? We have E, sa? Do we have our total?
We have.
Yeah, we can. It's very easy. Right? The R total, because since we are applying divider rule, the R total here, this one, is just equal to R1 plus series connection. Sa? Series connection.
Pero yun,
3 and 4.
Yeah, but no, but we are after VA. Don't talk about this. Okay, we are talking about this part only. Okay, this one has nothing to do with this one.
1 plus.
Okay, later at point B, this is the one. This is our concern. At point A, this is our concern. At point B, this is the okay. You get the point?
Yes.
All right. So since we are after VA, VR2. That's the formula. R2, R total, which is R1 plus R2. Alright, so that would be, R2 value, 2.2.
Plus 1.
So, 1 kilo plus
2.2.
2.2. Multiplied by what?
10.
10, which is the source. So, how much? Calculator. So, VR2 here, or our VA value should be equal to
6.87. 5.
6.8.
6.8
8 seconds.
6.87 okay, volt.
Yes, what?
Alright, 6.87. What do you have in our table? In our measurements, what did you get?
7.
7? So it's near 7. That will be the case, huh? Near 7. 10 volt, huh? You use 10 volt?
Yes.
Alright. So next. So we already have VA.
VA, yes.
So the next thing is to solve BB. So how will you solve BB? BB, same thing. This 10 volts is across here. And we are after this one, huh?
Yes.
So meaning here, what's the same? BB. It's also the same as what? B. What? Also same as B.
VR.
What? BR what?
VR 1. Maybe
VR4.
BR4. Look. Ground. BB.
okay.
Same as BR4. Sa? Measured. Hada, kita. Same as BR4. So lala.
Yes.
BR4, sa? So meaning apply again the same rule, divider rule. Using the divider rule, we have, so since this is R4, we have R4 over R total multiplied by source.
4.0.
General formula, sa?
Yeah.
So now, that will be, again this one is, what is this? This is R what? R3 plus R4. Correct? Because this, we are after here. This line. Right? So R4, which is 10 kilo over 10 kilo plus 6.8 kilo multiplied by 10. Is that correct? Is that correct?
Yes.
How much? VR4. So our VR4 here, which is equal to VB, is just equal to how much?
4.0.
4 point?
No. 5.9.
شوف الريزستور الرابع الريزستور
10 kilo.
4.04.
4.04 volt.
Wait, doctor. 5.9. 5.
Why?
دكتور شوف مو دكتور عندك غلط دكتور هاي الريزستور 4 not 3 6.5.
Oh, sorry. Yes, sorry. You're right. 6.8. Sorry. 6.8. Sorry. How much?
Yes, 4.0.
4.04. Okay. 6.8. Yes. But this is correct. 4.404. Okay. 4.04 volt. Mazboot? Okay. Agree now? Correct? So we have now VB. We have VA. So very simple now.
Multiply.
The last one,
Current.
VAB.
Current.
La, VAB. What's the formula for VAB?
Multiplication.
La, mo plus. Subtract, difference.
Plus
VA. The formula now for VAB. Very simple. In bridge circuit, okay, the formula for VAB is just simply VA minus VB. That's the formula. Okay, in bridge circuit, alright? So you can get VAB by just subtracting the voltage VA and VB. Alright, so this one becomes how much? VA, what's the value? 6.87 volt minus 4.04 volt.
Will be 2.83.
2.83
84.
volts. That's VAB. Alright? See the difference? Very short, very short compared to, okay, because if you will try to apply Ohm's law here, it will take a little more time. R total, I total, I1, I2, I4, you need those things, huh? It will take more time. But you see, if you're using divider rule, direct, simple. And it has, see, what you get in the table, I think it's close, huh, to these values. It's near, right? Okay. This is the ideal value. But of course, in the measurement, there will be some error, small error. But only small. Not so big. Any question? Clear? That's for bridge circuit calculation, alright?
Thank you.